Hey there, I hope you are enjoying an amazing day of your life. Recently, I was browsing on Upwork and I noticed that you are looking for a sales representative. So, when I check online, I noticed that you have already existing customer service representative. So, you can easily hire, ask them for referrals, and you can easily hire a sales representative if you need. But here is the thing: you have uh, gives you time. You have given you times and effort to pay post on Upwork and hire a sales representative. So why is it? Because you are looking for someone who can give a personalized message to your customer. You're looking for someone who can tailor the lead management system, who can manage the lead perfectly for your companies, and who can understand your offering better, so that every single time when they work for you, they can give your message to your customer, so your customer can stay longer with you. If is it correct? Then I feel like I'm the person who can help you in this role. So you can see that if you check my profile and if you check my YouTube link, you can see that last couple of days I'm working with these cleaning businesses, and I also have a website called b2bcleaner.com where I help cleaning businesses online. And you can also see that I have mentioned Whizz on the Whizz as a top successful cleaning business in Australia. Why is it? Because I feel like that website, the look of your website looks very interesting to me, and you have a great potentiality to grow. So while observing your landing page, I have seen that you have apps for your booking processes, and when I was browsing some of the key features to learn more about your services, I have noticed some of the bad comment on Google Play Store and as well as on Apple Play Store. And I can see that people are saying people are concerned and people are complaining about customer services, the booking steps, and customer service and team management, rescheduling, poor timing, amateur and lack of information, and timing management and this kind of stuff. So if I have a chance to work with you as a salesperson, here is the way I will handle this type of situation. So first of all, the problem I have seen, one of this comment is that there is a lack of customer uh, service. Okay, so if I work with you, I will first of all I would try to focus on your ticket, so that we can easily identify each single customer, and we can easily give a tailored solution. So to give a tailored solution, obviously I'm not an expert on cleaning services, so I sometimes I have to delegate these services to one of our team members who have previous experience within these types of companies. I can delegate them this type of stuffs, and when I will see them how they can handle these services, definitely I can mimic them and apply it in my own. Okay, and based on their on the task and problems, we can tag if it's a single problem, and we can work together on it, and we can definitely give a better solution for our customers. So we can actually provide this type of solution in many different way. So based on definitely as a salesperson, we will talk with them over the phone. So if we feel like if we share this information within the chat, we can share within the chat. If we feel like it might be better if we can say it over the phone, then will deliver it over the phone. And if there is something they might need a brief information, then definitely we will send a link, our article link, so that they can get a better overview, right? So based on the criteria, we can assess, we can measure it, we can maintain our pipeline so that we can give a better customer service. Then the second problem I have identified is uh, lack of information. So to eliminate this process, we have to understand that. So lack of information comes when we don't know about the services what we are providing. We don't know what to say. We don't know how to close the deals, and that's when these types of problem came in. So to solve this type of question, obviously we have to make a script. And if you don't have any script, definitely we can work on it. But in general, we can identify our services. We can identify our audience, and based on our audience, we can make value point, pain question, and name drop examples. And this way, we can make a script. So regardless of their problem, we can give a tailored solution to them. Okay. So the next steps is time management. Okay, so time management is very much important in these types of cleaning services, because and what I will handle this type of task is by using CRM tools. For example, we based on your CRM tools, we can add a reminder. We can use we can use different types of code to handle the customer service. For example, based on their area, based on their zip code, we can delegate a different type of cleaner for that, and we can also assign different type of person for different types of tasks. So in this way, if we get, for example, if we get a server, get a customer, we can first of all, we will assess them, we will ask a couple of questions, we will put it into our sales CRM, and then we will send a reminder. When we will communicate with them, we will delegate this customer to a delegate cleaner. Okay, and this way we can easily manage our time for this type of services. And in the end of the day, if I work with you, I will give you every single day, every single week, I will share with you our report, what is our progress, growth, and in this way we can save more times, we can manage lots more clients in a short period of time. And in this way, we end of the day, we can make customer happy and make a satisfied customer. Okay, so the next step is obviously the channels. So we have to this is most important section, because we have to understand our channels, where these types of people are coming in, and how we can easily communicate with them. So if I work with you, definitely I will make sure to communicate with customer in different channels. So if they feel like to communicate with them with Facebook, definitely I will take support Facebook and solve their pain point. And after, when they are satisfied with our service, we can ask a feedback. And this type of feedback, we can use it on our website, on our Google page, and different kinds of types of marketing purposes. And we can also ask them the referrals. And in this way, we will grow our business. We will make our business more sustainable. So, if I talk about myself, my name is Abdul Rahman, and I am a cold caller, an appointment setter, and a sales representative. So, if I talk about my experience, in my previous experience, I have worked with Solar Expert in Victoria. I have worked with software firm. I have worked with digital marketing agency. So I have a mix of experience. So, and if you check my LinkedIn profile, you can notice that I am certified, British Council certified English proficient. So if regardless what types of client you have, I can easily handle them easily. And I have also certified by Salesforce, which is also relevant in these types of jobs. And if I talk about the tools and equipment I have, if you have a look at my uh, profile, you can see that I have a call Hippo subscription, a monthly subscription, and I also have a software called Crisp. Crisp is a very much relevant in these types of jobs because it's reduce the noise, and you can see I have a Lenovo USB headset, which is also relevant in these types of work. Okay, so let me talk about what I can offer for you. So you have a cleaning business, right? And you want to grow your customer base. And I want to work with you. I want to gain some knowledge. I don't. Yes, it's true that I don't have a experience on cleaning businesses, but I'm trying to learn cleaning services. If you have a look at my website, if you have a look at my uh, YouTube channel, you can see that I have an interest on cleaning businesses, and I also like gardening. So I you, you can I can assure you that I can easily communicate, and I give them a personalized solution which is very much relevant on your work. Okay, so here is my offer. So I would like to work with you for 1 week, which is around 40 hours, with my CRM, with my call Hippo dialer, and with all of my tools. You don't have to pay anything. If you see the result within me, if you see that yeah, I can help you to grow your customer, I can help you to retain your customer, then definitely you can consider me for the future. Okay, so without hanging around with other types of people, just I would like to request you just to send me a message on Upwork, and let discuss for 5 to 10 minutes, and let's see what I can bring you into your table. Okay, so thanks for your time and have a good day. Bye. Thanks for your time.